Yo, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Okay. See that. Ta-da! Yeah, we went to US just like that. जैसे होता ना कि आप घर से बाहर निकले पुदीना लेने के लिए और पता चला सीधा यूएस चले गए, वैसे गए हम।
कोई प्लानिंग नहीं थी, दिस वाज ऑल प्लान्ड बाय गॉड।
Yes.
हम लोग गुड़गांव जा रहे थे संदीप के फैमिली के पास, और जाने से पहले पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में क्या बात आई, क्योंकि हमको लगा अभी काम नहीं है तो शायद आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद हिज फैमिली देयर कहीं और घूम सकते हैं, आउट ऑफ कंट्री जा सकते हैं। तो मैंने हाथ में पासपोर्ट रख लिए। आई जस्ट आस्क्ड संदीप दैट आई एम कीपिंग द पासपोर्ट, इज इट अ गुड आइडिया? ही सेड या चलो चलो चलो। तो
Last minute, जाते जाते last minute के अंदर she just went inside, got the passports, and
we found ourselves at the airport in the plane in USA.
just like that.
Yeah.
One moment you are in Sector 41 Gurgaon, and the second moment you are in North Carolina with a sister. So when God does, best to leave things in God's hands. एक saying है ना कि when you leave everything in God's hands, you actually see God's hands in everything.
Everything beautiful.
Yeah. Bon voyage. See you in US. Okay. So we have come to Hurry Place. We have a halt of 2 hours. So see you on the other side. How I want.
Bash him because I'm gonna be that guy. Yeah.
Got you.
From Paris to Raleigh, we didn't get the seats together. So instead of enjoying each other, we thought of enjoying the view. Thank you. Yeah, welcome to America, man.
Oh, whatever.
These are the Americans. We are more Americans than them. You will see in 5 days. It's freezing.
So this jacket is not accessible. नहीं है ना काफी?
हाँ,
काफी
नहीं काफी है भैया. So we are here. Ashlisha's sister Kavita and her brother-in-law Behram, they came to pick us up, and now we are going to their home, which is in Cary. That is very close to Raleigh Durham Airport.
Yeah.
साले बोला करो.
डेब्यू है, 2 stars का डेब्यू है. Pinky, it's Pinky's debut.
We're not even dressed.
That's the idea.
We're all shaggy people.
See, I'm also showing my face like this only.
क्या धूप निकली है यार?
Yeah. I was born here. So when I go back to India, that's what they're going to say. Welcome
And
to India.
what will you also say that when you were in Paris?
Yeah, I was here in Paris yesterday. Yeah, I was in Paris for some work at the airport. I was taking a flight to America.
Come show outside.
Yeah, but the guy who actually said, "No, welcome to the US," he was actually telling me, "You don't need a welcome. You're from here only."
That's Behram Jamaspi. That's Kavita Sawant.
Kavita Sawant Jamaspi.
I don't know, on paper she's Jamaspi.
I'm Sandeep Baswana. Sandeep Sawant. When in Maharashtra, I'm Sawant. When in Haryana, I'm Baswana. When here in America, I'm San Baswan. Is it on? So yeah, so there's a camera woman. Her name is Ziva. I call her Licky. And look at this creature.
I'm going
This
for a
is-
walk because it's cold outside.
Okay,
Okay,
Come on.
bye.
bye. Come on.
Take it out. No, it's right.
What?
Hey, ice. Yep. Thank you.
So this is the house, Ashlesha's sister's house,
Ice is frozen.
and
Really?
yeah,
Oh yeah.
got it.
When it's windy, it's cold.
It's not that cold. Ashlesha wants to look funny. That's why she's wearing
I don't want to look
Ashlesha.
funny.
So I'm in America. Ashlesha is in Antarctica right now.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling up to it. Beautiful houses and a great community, but you hardly see any people outside. Hardly. More or less they're same design houses, no? North Carolina is a beautiful state. Wherever you look, it's like a painting, and especially the sky. It's so blue. Whew. So the whole idea of meditation is being totally there wherever you are. आप जहाँ पे भी हैं, completely वहाँ पे अगर रहे, totally in the present moment, not in the mind, but being mindful, then that quality comes in, that peace, that joy, वो शांति. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है ना कि इंसान जहाँ पे होता है वहाँ पे नहीं होता, वो अगले प्लान बना रहा होता है कि वहाँ जाएंगे तो ऐसे करेंगे, मतलब या फिर पीछे का सोच रहा था कि पिछली बार जब हम गए थे तब हमने वहाँ पे ये किया था. प्रेजेंट नहीं होता तो क्या होता है कि यू मिस लाइफ, बिकॉज लाइफ इज ऑलवेज इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. जिंदगी हमेशा वर्तमान में होती है, और जब आप पूरी तरीके से प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में होते हैं ना, तब आप सब चीज़ों के साथ में एक हो जाते हैं. देन देयर इज जस्ट विटनेसिंग, प्योर विटनेसिंग एंड प्योर जॉय. Yeah, if it wasn't that cold, I would be jumping inside. But it is cold.
Oh God, can you see the rainbow?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Rainbow.
so cool.
Oh wow, I can see it now very clearly, the rainbow. and still nobody's out looking at this. We are the only lucky people chosen by God.
He's so amazed that there are people outside.
No people. Everything is so beautiful, but no people. We wanted bench. And she's delivered bench. Yeah. There's a benchmark. Come on. Lakey. Look at the number of planes in the open blue sky. And then we decided to go out for dinner, our first dinner out. Where are you going?
To eat food.
Actually, she turned on the music when we were in the car. I swear on everything.
Tastes like a proper burger, but it's fully veg. It's a plant-based burger. Here, veggie, first one. They are really tasty. Matlab, I can happily eat that burger.
You can have this.
Ashleisha is trying to make everybody eat her plant-based burger, which tastes exactly like meat.
संदीप एक बाइट लेके देख.
Can I use this? Will I use this?
To begin another day in Cary. बाहर का weather बहुत ठंडा है. This lady is jogging. I don't know how she is jogging outside. It's really cold.
Yo.
My brother-in-law Behram and my sister Kavita, they fell in love in school. They're childhood sweethearts. स्कूल से एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हो. ये उनकी डॉटर जीवा. टचवुड. My sister has an amazing taste in decor and she's always been so creative and artistic. ये उनका bedroom है. And my brother-in-law Behram, he's a passionate, enthusiastic rider. He has always been riding a bike, even when he was in India. And अभी US में आके तो he's done from Raleigh, he's gone to Alaska, and he has a whole group of bikers who ride together. So this is his passion, and he loves riding bikes.
That's the man himself. Indian? हमें यहाँ आए हुए एक दिन नहीं हुआ है and we are already thinking of Indian food. That's how desi we are. It's nice. खुला आसमान यार. Really. So pretty. पर लोग नहीं है भाई. एक भी नहीं है. यही अगर इंडिया होता तो हाथ में हाथ डाल के घूम रहे होते लोग. औरतें स्वेटर बुन रही होती और क्या कुछ नहीं. कविता इज टेकिंग मी ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग जस्ट टू शो मी कि वो कहाँ से सामान लेके आते हैं. और ये बीच में खूबसूरत घर. You need a car if you're staying in a small town in America. क्योंकि ड्राइविंग काफ़ी होती है. फॉर एवरी स्मॉल थिंग यू हैव टू ड्राइव योर सेल्फ एंड गेट द थिंग.
This is the closest for us. Like just like it's about 2 miles. Yesterday Suki with it came. They live here. They are right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So they're like less than 5 minutes away from us. This is our gas station. Closest gas station. This is 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven तो इंडिया में खुल गया अभी.
Idea में?
So we are making fire now. And this is the man for the job. ठंड में आग जला के उसके आसपास बैठना इज द परफेक्ट एंड ऑफ द डे. रियली. जब हम छोटे थे तो गांव जाया करते थे. अपनी नानी के घर चूल्हे के आसपास सब बैठ जाया करते थे रात को सर्दियों में. और नानी, मौसी, मम्मी सबकी बातें सुना करते थे. आग के पास सब बैठ जाएं और प्यार भरी दिल की बातें करें. अपनी अपनी कहानियां सुनाएं, बाकी सबकी कहानी सुने. कहते हैं कि आग के आसपास कोई झूठ नहीं बोलता, क्योंकि आग साक्षी होती है. पता नहीं कितना सच है, पर इंटरेस्टिंग ना. Fire keeps you warm, and then you can share that warmth with your loved ones. प्यार के अलावा जिंदगी में और क्या है? प्यार की कमी को दुनिया की किसी भी और चीज से पूरा नहीं किया जा सकता. और अगर प्यार है तो आपको किसी और चीज की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जिंदगी का दूसरा नाम प्यार है.